Hi, I'm Taylor Waugh. I'm 13. I'm from Azle, Texas, and I'm a race car driver. So I'm going to be answering some questions for y'all. I would say what inspired me to start this is every time I'm at the track, I get a lot of little kids saying, "How can I become a race car driver?" And basically, this channel is going to break down how you can get started doing it and what to do. How did I get started racing? I would say, basically, I'll just give you a story. I was staying the night at a friend's house, and we went to Boyd Raceway. One of our good friends was racing, factory stocks, and we watched it. I wanted to get into it. Looked on Marketplace, seeing how much it was, so I had to start doing a little bit extra to get some cash. Then bought a Junior Limited, which was the start of it all, and now here I am. I would say one personal goal is to inspire what I do or how I do it to kids growing up wanting to be race car drivers. Adrenaline. My favorite thing about racing is adrenaline, for sure. I love the adrenaline rush whenever you strap your seatbelts and put on your helmet. So before I started racing, I was a bull rider.
Been great. Been riding out a lot of bulls, and this is my first year, so I think I've been doing pretty good.
And I raced dirt bikes. So that's one thing I did. Or two things. Basically, you gotta kind of get locked in, you know? Put your AirPods in, focus, maybe drink a Red Bull depending on who you are. You know, just take a minute, calm down, get ready, get in the mind. Don't overthink it. Don't get in your head. Just go with the flow. Taco Casa non-wing. Or a NOS or Red Bull non-wing. I would say the manufacturer showdown, or it's manufacturer throwdown, actually, I think, in Shawnee, Oklahoma, the heart of Oklahoma Expo Center. I would say one of my favorite drivers is Broden Brown, and he drives for the ROK team, which is also my favorite. I would say getting in my head, for sure, and overthinking it a lot. I would say the Daytona 500 and a race at Rocket Speedway. It was at Boyd Raceway. First time in our Junior Limited. Got lapped 7 times. And also made a best friend because he doored me. I got door slammed by Davis. But that's how we became friends, because he came in a ball twist. Right. Taco Casa, Red Bull or NOS, for sure. My first ever win, which is this year. Yeah, this year. It was at Shawnee, Oklahoma, in the Open Intermediates. Upcoming events, Boyd Raceway, Kennedale Speed Park, and Big O Raceway. Lots of racing videos, step-by-step videos, reacting videos possibly. building, like building motors, working on motors, you know, stuff like that. Cleanup days probably, stuff like that. Well, I guess that's gonna kind of complete our questions. Make sure to look out for the red WD-40 headed your way. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. But that's gonna be all, guys. See y'all in the next one.